chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. West winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly cloudy with showers, and the flood advisory is replaced by a flash flood warning for a portion of Middle Tennessee, including the following area: Davidson. The threat of flooding continues and a flash flood warning is now in effect. Please refer to the bulletin for more information. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nashville, Brentwood, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Lakewood, Antioch, Bellevue, Hermitage, Berry Hill, Bells Bend and Percy Priest Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.